Alright, hello everybody, and welcome back to another QGIS video. This video is going to be about how to extract points from a raster data from points on your raster polygon or raster layer. So of course we have our layer open here, right here. Basically what we want to do is we want to select some points to get these raster data points from, the raster data from. So to do this, we're going to go to vector. We're going to call this test points. Call it multi-point geometry name. We only have one field. We're not going to add any more fields, so we're going to adjust that. Let's click OK. Now we have test points. So what we're going to do is we're going to add these points to our raster layer. So we're going to click toggle editing, multi-point. Just give an ID to each one we're putting down. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Well, that was 6, but it doesn't really matter. So we're going to go to save these points, save layer edits. Now I can over here go to the processing toolbox. We're going to look for a sample. I'm going to use sample raster values. Our input layer is our test points. That should be it. The raster layers, again, are the raster. Output column prefix optional, it's sample, it's not going to change much. And we can just click run. And now we have our sampled points. Now, one thing you need to remember is that you need to have the same sort of coordinate system for both your test points as well as your raster file. So in my case, they were both EPSG 32613, and therefore that means our sampled selection will give us some values. So again, we have number 1, sample ID 10,292, and other samples, for example, right here. This is basically just whatever raster value is associated with your raster. So yeah, well, that's basically a bit it for basically getting data points from a raster layer using multi-points. This is basically the simplest way to get vector data. You can use polygons too, or also lines, but those are, I guess, different methods or techniques. Like for example, if you want to get a polygon, you're gonna have to calculate the mean or average or something like that. But yes, this is basically how you get point data from raster files. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.